This is the AI News Flash for May 31st, 11 a.m. UTC. First up, enterprise AI agent giant ServiceNow stock surged 5.4% in a single day, following Knowledge 2026 event announcements, lifting the entire software sector and marking a decisive reversal point in the long-running SaaSpocalypse debate. ServiceNow had fallen 16% in April alone on post-earnings sell-offs, sparked when Anthropic introduced new AI agents triggering broader SaaS sector selling. The Knowledge 2026 event reversed that sentiment instantly. Forrester issued bullish recommendations, and institutional investor sentiment shifted fundamentally. Gartner predicts over 40% of enterprise applications will embed AI agents by end of 2026, accelerating ServiceNow's agentic AI platform monetization phase. Together with Salesforce Agentforce and Microsoft Copilot Studio, the enterprise AI agent market is entering a decisive battle with clear separation emerging between AI wrapper companies and true AI-native SaaS. This marks the inflection point for months of SaaS death narrative, with institutional investors entering full reassessment of enterprise AI software valuations, a pivotal moment for 2026 enterprise AI software. Second story, the New York Times published a major feature arguing AI does not have to mean layoffs, profiling French multinational Schneider Electric's successful AI deployment on manufacturing floors that boosted productivity without replacing workers, providing a decisive counter-narrative to the mass layoff inevitability thesis. Schneider Electric deployed AI agents on production floors as worker support and augmentation tools' mechanical repetitive tasks shifted to AI, while human workers concentrate on high-value creative work, demonstrating that AI productivity gains and workforce retention can coexist. The New York Times reported exclusively. This contrasts sharply with the layoff wave: Block 4000, Salesforce 4000, HSBC 20,000, Morgan Stanley 2500, Cloudflare 700, cumulative 1 through 15,800 plus AI-driven cuts. Schneider Electric offers a productivity augmentation model case study, echoing Goldman Sachs CEO David Solomon's similar pushback and JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon's human augmentation stance. With 55% of U.S. adults perceiving AI harm and 70% fearing job losses per polling data, narrative shift becomes urgent. The Schneider Electric case provides critical reframing material as AI employment policy heads toward becoming the top issue in the 2026 midterm elections, a pivotal moment for the AI employment narrative. Third story, Korean semiconductor design firm SemiFive showcased its 3D IC technology at the Samsung Safe Forum, unveiling the Bertha LLM processing unit. This marks decisive progress in Samsung Foundry ecosystem expansion and the formation of a Korean AI semiconductor third pole. Bertha LPU technical specs include Samsung's 4nm process, 500 square millimeter chip size, and 4 layers of vertically stacked memory. The 3D IC structural innovation resolves memory bottlenecks. Compared with traditional horizontal HBM connections, physical distance is dramatically reduced, delivering faster data transfer, lower latency, improved power efficiency, and lower cost. AI semiconductor startup HyperAxle is integrated as a collaboration partner. CEO Brandon Cho led SemiFive's partnership with Samsung Foundry on the advanced 4nm node against TSMC's dominant position. Samsung Foundry is building its own ecosystem in earnest. Compared to the US NVIDIA Broadcom camp and the China Huawei Ascend camp, Korea has established its own AI semiconductor ecosystem as a decisive third pole. Combined with Samsung Electronics' 110 trillion won record annual investment, SK Hynix HBM4 mass production acceleration, and Micron's 245 terabyte ultra-large SSD shipments, the AI memory supercycle is in full swing. Under the hyperscaler $725 billion combined 2026 capex boom, Korea's AI semiconductor third pole formation marks a pivotal 2026 milestone for AI semiconductor ecosystem multipolarization. Fourth story, the Reddit Localemma developer community is buzzing with strong praise for Chinese AI company Stepfun's new multimodal AI model, Step 3.7 Flash. This signals decisive progress in Chinese AI firms' open-weight model development. Step 3.7 Flash technical details: 106 billion parameter scale, mixture of experts architecture, integrated multimodal processing with high-efficiency design, distributed via platform Stepfun.com, Hugging Face and Model Scope. Deployed across three major Western inference providers, Deep Infra, Fireworks AI, and Modal, with OpenAI and Anthropic API compatibility, signaling a serious global distribution strategy. Stepfun was founded in April 2023 by former Microsoft engineers and is backed by Tencent and Keeming venture partners. Together with DeepSeek V4, Alibaba Qwen 3.6, Moonshot AI Kimi, and Xiaomi Mimo V2.5, Chinese AI firms are entering full-scale open-weight model development. Developer community adoption is expanding decisively. Against the hyperscaler, $725 billion combined 2026 CapEx AI infrastructure centralization trend, local AI inference democratization is accelerating. Under U.S. export controls on advanced AI semiconductors, China's independent AI stack self-sufficiency is accelerating, dispersing U.S. frontier model dominance. China's AI ecosystem third pole formation marks a pivotal 2026 milestone for edge AI inference democratization. That's all for this AI News Flash.